States are now facing a deadline to submit their request for dozens of Pfizer's vaccine once it is approved. It comes as a top official from the FDA says it should authorize vaccine candidates from Pfizer and Moderna within a week after the meetings to talk about them. Pfizer's vaccine will be talked about by the FDA's vaccine advisors December 10th and Moderna's on December 17th. And new here tonight, some COVID-19 vaccine trials are now expanding to new age groups. Mary O'Connell tonight getting answers from Bay Area doctors on what we now know about the vaccine and its potential impact on children.
Researchers continue to study all aspects of a possible COVID-19 vaccine. Some trials are expanding, even to include children.
So we don't know really how children are going to react to these vaccines. We don't know even, if there is going to need the same dose, if they are going to need boosters. We don't know a lot of things yet.
While COVID-19 may appear less severe in children than adults, doctors say they've still seen critical cases. Dr. Claudia Espinoza thinks a vaccine might not be available to children until later next year, possibly this summer. She says they're expecting the vaccines are safe in kids, but they just need to prove it through trials.
By the time the vaccines are available to children, the proper trials have to be done and completed, and there is no shortcomings when it comes to safety of children, that they can be reassured about that.
I will have my kids first in line once the FDA says we're good to go.
Dr. Joseph Perno explains when the time comes, it'll be important for kids to get a vaccine for their own benefit and your families.
Yeah, Johnny, who's 5, may not be at risk, but wants to visit with grandma and grandpa, and they are at risk. And we know the vaccines are effective, but they're 90 to 95% effective. So I don't necessarily want Johnny to not be immune against it and potentially spreading the disease to other populations.
Dr. Perno says it's for the greater good, too, to get a high percentage of the population immunized and protected to help drive COVID-19 away. In Tampa, Mary O'Connell, ABC Action News.
Updating you next here tonight on Florida's COVID-19 outbreak and the new numbers in. They're now reporting 120 additional deaths tonight from the state. That's the highest daily total since mid-October. The state also reporting over 10,000 additional COVID-19 cases since yesterday's update. Meanwhile, there is some better news tonight about the statewide positivity rate for new cases. Health officials say that yesterday's rate did go down from the day before to around 7.5%, where it stands tonight.